Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman. Welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the Pittsburgh fluid line clamp set, which you can buy at Harbor Freight for around $8. It comes with 4 clamps, as it says 4 piece. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 clamps, from smallest to largest. 4 clamping hoses like this. Now, in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating it, and it's good for stopping leaks and when you're trying to take out or remove a hose when you're trying to replace a part, just in case you want to stop any coolant or any liquid from coming out. And for us, it's worked pretty well. We've left the car with the clamps on and for around 2 or 3 days, and no leaks have happened. So I definitely recommend this. So let's get to the demonstration. Alright, so in case you're removing the clamps and you want to know how, removing the hoses and you want to know how to put the clamps on, what you do is you take one of the clamps out of the 4, probably the one that fits the best. So this one is the biggest, and this is one of the biggest hoses. And what you want to do is you want to take this U shape and you want to put it under the belt, under the hose. So let's say you want to finagle it under, sort of like that. And then you want to spin this the top red part around until it's directly on top. And it doesn't really matter how far it is back, but maybe like an inch or 2 or 3. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to slowly twist until you can't go any further. Now, before you put this on, just make sure that you spin the knob all the way so that you can get the most amount of space to put the hose in. That's necessary. And then finally, just for precaution's sake, you can stuff a glove in just in case. But in our case, we actually tested this and we had these clamps on for around 2 or 3 days before we got to working on the car again. And so far, there hasn't been any leaks at all, actually, right? So these are really good clamps. So I can still go a bit further. And it looks like, apparently still a bit further. Dang. Okay, so I can't go any further. And you can see that it's completely closed. Alright, so that's how to use the clamps. And finally, the next step is that if you're installing it, then you're going to want to remove the clamp. This one's counterclockwise as well. Spin this around. This one. And finally, you should be able to twist it out and just sort of gently guide it out, and that's what the clamps look like. I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the auto repair videos and the tool demonstration videos. I know recently in particular, we've done a lot of videos on the Toyota Prius, as we have right here. We're actually trying to install the inverter coolant pump right now, so go check that video out. We're also doing a few videos on, we also did a few videos on the Honda Accord that we had out there. So feel free to check that out as well. And I'll see you there. Signing out. Peace. So next step, we're going to release this clamp right here. In order to do, it's a bit tricky from here. Oh, never mind. So we're just going to turn this knob right here. In order to release it, I think it's counterclockwise. And then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to inject coolant from the top in, from this top hole. So let me just remove this. Okay, so now we should be able to remove it. Wait. Don't we need to... Oh, never mind. You have to turn it first. So, the way that these clamps work is that you just put the hose in, turn it, no wait. You put the hose in here, then you turn this onto it, and then you just lock it in. I just realized that now, okay. I'm sorry.